lot of crap now.
Just some plastic.
So as you'd expect when you're putting a transmission that didn't come in a truck into a different truck on a different frame, you're probably gonna have to do some clearancing. So we had to come in here and cut the firewall out for the motor, and then we had to cut the tunnel out so that we could fit the transmission in there. The test cab had a 4-wheel drive tunnel, so I cut that out, and then we used that and pieces from the firewall and the tunnel that was in the 2-wheel drive cab that we used, and we got it all fabbed up and put it into place. What I figured out as I went through this is my first time building a tunnel. If you tack it a couple places really nice and tight and it gets hot, you can take a ball peen hammer and just shape that stuff super easily. So that's what I ended up doing on the whole cab, and then I used some CAD, some cardboard assisted design, and made all the little funny pieces where it didn't match up. All in all, we probably have 6 to 8 hours in this tunnel. Like I said, it was my first time doing it, but it turned out pretty well.
Alright, so we can see we got the, I guess this is, you pronounce it, Silas brand sound deadener. It's the 80mm stuff. We've got it pretty much everywhere. We didn't do this part because if we add the high country seats, we're probably going to have to take 2 inches out of this pan. So you don't want to have to just cut through it and waste material. So we didn't go there, but we've got the factory stuff to go back. We put the factory stuff back here. That's the front seat. I just pushed it back because I've been closing in that hole and closing up where I had to cut out the tunnel for the to pull the transmission. So we've got that done. I'm going to cut out the rest of these little holes for the back seat so we can bolt it in all the way with the seat belts and everything. And then I'm going to just make a cover that goes over that center hole right there. And we'll be good to go. We'll get all the carpet back in here. We're probably going to come up short because it's 2-wheel drive carpet, and that's probably taller than a 4-wheel drive tunnel. So we'll see how short we come up, but it should look better than just the roll-on chrome. So stay tuned.